Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today it is a requested video because the video was made in Marathi, but some of my viewers requested me to have the video in English because they are not able to follow Marathi well. So let me have the topic. See, according to human psychology, every human being wants to get more. Even from God, we ask God for the blessings. So we always want to have something more. So even in life, to be successful, either in job or in your business, the same principle is used. When you are a giver, give something more. I will explain you. When we were in Kolhapur, while going to Mirrors, there we are having a petrol pump, and there in that petrol pump, whenever you go there to have petrol, man used to be ready there to clean your car with the brush and a bucket. Free service. What I mean, it was a complimentary free service. So whoever goes there, when the car stops, immediately the man used to come and clean your car. You had to pay only for the petrol, not for the cleaning. So many people used to go to that petrol pump. Why? Because they used to have this complimentary service. You might have seen going to buy vegetables. The vegetable vendor weighs and gives, and on that little bit more he puts in your basket. The same with the milkman as well. So we are having this human psychology is used here, that if you are a giver, suppose if you are owner of a company, shop, whatever it is, you are paying the people, but along with that, when you go, carry fresh coffee for them or some fresh fruits for them. See how happy they will be. They will be ready to work little bit more for you then. So the giver should give little bit more. In the same way, there was a samosa shop near my house. Means there are so many shops. But one samosa shop was running well. Very good it was going on. Heavy rush every time. Once I asked those boys who usually go to that, why you go to that particular samosa shop? There are so many samosas. Is it very good in quality? They told no, quality is same everywhere. Price is same, quality is same. But this samosa wala supplies chutney and sauce along with the samosa. That is why people go there. It was free of course. You have to pay only for the samosa. Even in other shops, you used to get samosa only for that rate. But here this man was giving you chutney and what I told you, some other things, whatever, free of cost. That is why you should use this technique, because everyone likes that. For example, colleges, they teach the same, but where they are having campus interviews, people go there. Students go there because campus interview is there, and that is why they will be getting the good jobs. In the same way, I have seen some tailors. They stitch the clothes, and after stitching, they will iron it nicely and give you. If you go to the homestays, you are knowing, complimentary, they will give you the next day's breakfast. Why this complimentary business? It is, you are knowing, if you give something extra, you will be liked by people. The same, even we, those who work, we should follow it. If you are an employee, if you work a little bit more, employer will be happy about you. If you are getting a salary of 1,000 rupees, you should pay or you should work for 200 rupees more. Then the owner or the employer will be happy. And whenever the question of promotion comes, it will be for your benefit. In the same way, some of the, what I can tell you, even flights give some complimentary gifts. Even bus services give you some complimentary. Why this complimentary gift? It is, they can attract the customers towards them. I am having a photo studio near my house. He gives a pen as a complimentary gift. So these complimentary gifts means giving something extra. Let it be service or goods, whatever. Even if we are working anywhere, we should work little bit more than what we get. Then we will get our success 100%. So this is a success guarantee road, I can call you. Why? This is because of the human psychology. Human beings always, whether he is a giver or the one who takes, everyone feels to be benefited. And nowadays, this method is used of complimentary for the success. Because that samosa wala was giving chutney free, his shop was running well, otherwise quality and rate was everywhere same. But because of these complimentary things, you are knowing, let it be your job or business, whatever, will have good results. As I told you, you are working in any shop or anywhere in any office. Even the boss sees you, you are working more than for what he has paid. He will be always happy with you. If you feel that he pays only this much, for that only this much I am working, whether he will be happy? No. So we should be always ready to give something more. Whether you are employer, whether you are employee, whether you are the seller, businessman, whoever, always let us decide now. We will give something extra which will definitely help for our success. Have a nice day.